Good morning, this is Dennis.Girod with Guarantee RV in Junction City on this beautiful day. We have an opportunity today to share with you a 2020 Thor Miramar 35.2. This unit is going to show us many new items, great colors, and awesome floor plans. So as we go around, this is a Thor. Thor is the largest RV manufacturer, building 6 out of 10 RVs in the U.S. One of the things that we'll also see as we go around this coach, Thor has made a concerted effort over the last 2 years to really improve their quality. They've done things from putting quality gates in to stopping the line when they need to make sure they make the corrections. As we go around, this is a gas unit on the Ford V10, but look at the amount of storage we have on this. Great unit in a 35-footer. Of course, up above us here, exterior TV. Pass through across the top. Rotocast bays, easy to keep clean. Very large water tank. I don't know if you can see them, but they've actually given us documentation here of the different levels, so 25 gallons, 50 gallons, 75 gallons. So as you have a visual indicator of what level of water you have. So just tons of storage. LP tank here at the back. Quick connect for your barbecue grill. Easy access for the ladder. Rear gas fill. 5.5 Onan Cummins. Gasoline powered gen. One of the little changes they made this year is you can take this now and go through either way. You can drop this through the hole or bring it up through the bottom. You don't have to pull out so much cord. But if you look across here, look how that storage works across the top of that. Tankless water heater. One of our 2 dump bays. Anderson valve, whole house water filter, black tank flush. So this coach obviously does have it all. As we go on around, obviously these are the other side of those bays, but today we'll kind of skip them because we're in here a little tight. As we go on the inside, one-piece windshield. So new flooring and vinyl details this year for 2020. But as you look around, this is kind of Americana. Great wood colors, great leather colors, but tremendous floor plans. When you come into a Thor, I think all of us kind of look at these chairs and this seating arrangement and think, I could really do that. I could sit there and be very happy with this. And on this coach, our TV is over here on the other side. Here's what I'm looking for. So this TV can be raised when we want to watch TV as a family. So that would come all the way up there. Our batteries are a little low this morning. One of the things that's unique on the Thor is they do give us overhead bunks. So if you need additional sleeping, that bunk can be lowered, has a ladder. So this coach here, we have the overhead bunk, we have the pull-out sofa, we have the dinette that can be made into a bed, pull-out drawers, a radio. In fact, while we're here, look at the new Xterra radio. Look at the size of that and how clear that is. Auto leveling jacks on this, passenger side workstation. Tremendous amounts of both 12-volt and USB plug-ins. This table can be lowered into a bed very easily with a clasp on the bottom. Now this year they've moved towards, we have an induction plus 2 burners. Anytime we get additional choices in our RVing, we all like that. So here you have a choice. You can use induction, 120 volt if you'd like, or you can use LP if you'd like. Residential style refrigerator, Whirlpool. with ice maker, large convection microwave. As we move towards the back, pantry, washer dryer cabinet. You know, it's up to the customer. If you'd like to add washer dryer, we can easily do that for you. Back here, the king bed with the can rise. You can tilt it up to watch TV. Hidden storage in behind the TV. Wardrobes with our table. We have a cockpit table. So look at this bedroom. 2, 4, 6, 8 drawers here. Another drawer, another 2 drawers here, and our electrical panels here at the foot of the bed for a very easy access. So it's probably one of those coaches, yes, you can take it all with you. Bathroom with shower, large medicine cabinet. Ready for solar panels, does have an inverter. Second TV here in the living room. Your family will not run out of TVs. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Again, this is a 2020, new colors, new vinyls, new soft goods, and a continued commitment to improve quality. So thank you very much. Come take a drive with us and let's have a little fun. Thank you.